Good morning, sir. I am Cyril Gini Pumsino, BSI STOE. I'm going to present to you the Laboratory 2 displaying databases. MySQL show databases. This command lists all available databases on the MySQL server. The output shows several databases including information, schema, employee DB, MySQL, performance, schema, restaurant, and test. Displaying tables within a database. MySQL show tables. This command lists all tables within the currently selected database. The database employee DB is the current database when this command is run. The output shows tables like departments, employees, project, and workzone. Switching databases. MySQL use restaurant. This command selects the restaurant database, making it the active databases for subsequent queries. The output confirms the change with database change. Retrieving data from a table. MySQL select name from items. This command retrieves the name column from the items table within the restaurant database. The output lists the names of items: chicken salad, fruit plates, fruit salad, garden salad, millennium salad, soda, and water. MySQL select name, item ID, price from items. This command retrieves the name, item ID, and price columns from the items table. The output shows the item names, their item ID, and their price. Note that the price for Millennium Salad is null, indicating that the price might not have been set or is unknown. Functionality. The code successfully demonstrates basic database operations such as listing databases and tables, switching databases, and retrieve data from a table. Structure. The code is well structured and easy to understand, with each command clearly separated and its output displayed. Error handling. There are no explicit error handling mechanisms shown in this code snippet. In a real-world application, you would include error handling to manage potential issues like table or database not found. Efficiency. The queries used are simple and efficient for retrieving the requested data. Completeness. The code is complete in the sense that it executes and produces results. However, it could be expanded to include more complex queries, updates, and data manipulation.